second half. And itong 20 puntos, James Payosing is a career high for him. The NCAA collegiate ranks. Talampas! Kaboom! He is not yet done. In the third or in the fourth quarter, 3 out of 3 from long distance here in the fourth frame. Jake Talampas, I've seen him explode like this. Right, Valencia! No! Valencia gets it back. Fresh 14 for the Chiefs.
Talampas!
Kaboom! Arellano takes the lead.
What a game! Grabe!
4 out of 4 from long distance for Jay Talampas here in the fourth frame. How about this? Catch and shoot, feeling it. Arellano takes the lead. Jay Talampas with an all-out performance here in the fourth frame. 18 points para sa kanya. 14 ang galing dito sa fourth quarter.
Sabi sa'yo, may chance mag-overtime eh. Meron pang 5.
Cortez, who hasn't been himself in this game, is on the floor. The trigger man is Peter Alfaro. They go to Puno. Puno splits the D. Puno drives. Puno, oh, couldn't tie it. And Arellano escapes. Arellano takes the win. What a ball game.
I think that's not the play what you instructed him.
The Chiefs snap their 4-game losing skid, and they catch another big fish in the San Beda Red Lions. This loss also snaps the 4-game winning streak of San Beda University. The final score, 74-72.
Grabe. San Beda now tied with LPU. Arellano naman, meron ng chance.
Yeah.
Good effort coming from this team.
Yeah. Sino pa ba ang ating best player of the game?
Sino pa ba? Kailangan ko pa bang sabihin?
Ito na. Tatawagin natin niya. Hard carry in the fourth quarter from Jade Talampas. 18 points, 6 out of 9 from the field, 4 out of 6 from long distance, 4 out of 4 in the fourth quarter alone. 14 points in the fourth quarter, including 3 crucial 3-point shots and the game winner as well. What a game from Jade.
Siguro sasabihin sa akin niya na punta ka ulit sa amin. Intervene mo kami ulit.
O paswerte.
Oo, dun sa Bulacan.
Buenas. Ayan. Pero hindi pa tayo tapos. Second game po natin, San Sebastian kontra JRU. Pauber, thank you.
Thank you. At sayang lang overtime na sana.
Yan, di po sa akin ang galing yan. Okay. On behalf of the entire broadcast team, my partner Pauber, Coach Benji Perez, our courtside reporters, Eliana Faustino and Diana Igual from Arellano and San Beda respectively. At the helm is Derek Abet Ramos with our producer Manny Gabutina, for directors Roy Tulio, Pacasena, and of course Romel Narciso with Stephen Cruz as well. This is Martin Aver saying thank you, and we hope you enjoyed our very first offering today. It is a Friday, October 27, the start of weekend basketball fun here in the league. It was Arellano escaping with a 2-point win. A go-ahead basket courtesy of Jade Talampas took the win for the Arellano Chiefs. They snapped their 4-game losing skid and they take their second win of the season. San Beda on the other hand falling down to 7-3. Mga kapuso, hindi pa tayo tapos. Nagsisimula pa lang tayo ngayong Biyernes. Susunod naman po, laban ng Baste kontra JRU. Kaya yan po ang inyong antabayanan sa pagbabalik ng NCAA Season 99. New heroes of the game. Only here on GTV. Please enjoy the highlights including the game winner from Jade Talampas. Magbabalik po kami in just a little bit. Happy Friday mga kapuso.